To enable and use live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter accessibility right here, and then we can look for the hearing enhancement. There's live transcribe on the top. If you enter it, you'll be able to activate it with the shortcut and then choose the option for it. For example, we're gonna go for accessibility button that will be floating around the screen. You can of course go for anything else. Alternatively, you can click on Open Live Transcribe, which will instantly open it, and then you'll be able to activate TalkBack, the transcribe, by clicking on the microphone button. But we've also added this shortcut, so you can always click on it even if you're not in the settings to open and use it. As you can see, it tries to transcribe everything that I'm saying. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.